What's going on, guys? It's Steph J. Vaughn here, back with another pickup, back from the back order. Ordered these in April. Let's go, April. So here we are in May, and finally got the AirPods Max, man. Shouts out UPS, man. Thank you. Appreciate these, bringing them straight to the door, man. Social distancing. Love that, bro. So got the AirPods Max here, man. That's enough talking. Let's look into it and see what we got. So we got the AirPods Max here in the blue. Let's see what Apple calls this. They call it sky blue with blue headband. Okay. Shouts out sky blue. So no knife needed, no scalpel. Let's open these things up, man. Yeah, man. Sounds really premium just opening them up. Let's go ahead and remove the box and see what we got here. Oh my goodness, guys. How dope is this, man? How dope is this sky blue? Oh my goodness, man. Let's take a whiff of this box. Kind of smells like new car smell, man. Like no other Apple product smells like this. Shouts out new car smell with the sky blue via Apple. Let's go, Apple. So let's pull these things out, man. Start a show right here. Sky blue with the blue headband. Love this, man. I really love this, guys. It just feels premium. And at the price point, man, this definitely is a pickup that you're going to want to appreciate. Let's sit this down for a sec. See what else comes into the box. We got here our Apple little card here. Let's see what's inside. Some literature. Of course, you guys are going to read this. All right. And what else do we have here? We got the charger. USB-C to Lightning. Would have been nice to go all USB-C because in the future, I'm pretty sure Apple is going to go all USB-C, man. So it would have been nice to be kind of future-proof. But no worries. We're already squared away. Enough with that, guys. Let's go ahead and unravel these, man. This sky blue goes sick. Was there a cooler way to be able to unwrap these? If so, I don't care because I'm doing it anyway. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, it was a cooler way to do it. Shout out Steph. Okay, so removing all the paper. All the paper. Let's go paper. Man, bro, this is so sick, man. This is so sick. I really love this blue colorway, man. My goodness, this is sick. I really like this, man. Let's go ahead and remove them, you know? Straight out the LeBra. That's what people have been calling this online. The LeBra or bra or something like that. Man, this blue looks dope, man. Man, this blue looks dope. Really premium. Really premium. Scratch resistant, you know, but that was just my nail, man. Let's go ahead and move these ear cuffs. Now, I've seen people switch these up. If you threw the blue on the silver, man, or like vice versa with the ear cuffs, that would look golden, man. Like that would just look amazing. Let's go ahead and remove these, man. And just like that, man, we got our AirPods Max. Let's go. Man, these things are sick, bro. These things are sick. Drop the B-roll. I absolutely love these things, guys. I absolutely love them. Let's get into some of the features, man. So, of course, we got the digital crown up here, just like your Apple Watch. You got the digital crown. I don't know if you saw that. Got the digital crown going. This is like a multi-function button. Going to be to play and pause and so on and so forth. This is to turn the volume up and down. It does click too. Cool, man. You get the clicking motion and everything else. Let's see how these things stretch. Yeah, man, these things stretch. I was really scared about doing this because I thought I was going to break them. Shouts out Apple Care. I paid the extra 29 bucks. These are sick, man. And then they have this oscillating arm right here. Cool. So you're gonna get the feel that you need for your particular head size. And so they said these were really simple to be able to take off if you needed to replace the ear cuffs for any reason. And just like that, the magnetic comes straight off, man. I love that. So just taking a look at these guys, this is everything that comes in the box. You got the AirPods Max, the LeBron, the magnetic ear cuffs, and of course, you also have no literature, but you get a lightning cable to come along with these guys. So let's go ahead and pair these things up, man, and see if this is really worth the cost and if this sound quality holds up against all the other competitors out there. Let's go ahead and pair these up. So simply just click on our little button here, multi-purpose button, and that W1 chip should pick these up immediately, you know? And there we go, man. We see them connecting. How cool is that? Now, what I liked about when I did the Beats review is that the Beats matched up with the color of the connecting. Not too big, doesn't really matter. This isn't going to increase your sound quality or anything like that or the user experience. But I just think that would have been cool too, man. Let's go ahead and hit connect. And just like that, guys, we're all set, man. We're now connected with the AirPods Max, sky blue with the blue headband. Let's go blue headband. So we're all connected right here, guys, going over the ins and outs of what all these things can do and then how you can be able to incorporate these as your daily drivers, you know? So let's try out some of this sound quality and see if we can truly take it to the max, man. Let's go ahead and kick this thing to the max, guys, and see what this sound is all about, you know? Okay, guys, this sound is sick, man. I don't know how loud I'm actually talking because the sound quality on this thing bangs, guys. Like, everybody listens to their own type of music, man. But whatever type of music you're listening to them on these AirPods Max, bro. I'm telling you, it's going to go in. I really, really like these things, man. And let's just get a sound comparison of how I'm talking now versus with the AirPods Maxes off. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm talking to you guys now with the AirPods Maxes off. I don't know how loud I was, guys, but I'm telling you, man, these AirPods Max are the best sound I have ever heard out of over-the-ear headphones, man. Like, I used to rock with the Bang & Olufsen's. Now, those are really expensive and really, really nice. Shouts out hand-me-down from the dad. Those were really, really cool, man. Way out of my price range, but the sound on them was so superior. I'm comparing the AirPods Max to a Bang & Olufsen or a very, very more superior over-the-ear headphone, man. I really think this is well worth the investment. The fact that you can replace everything on these is user replaceable, and then you can just pay whatever money it is to get them replaced. Shouts out Apple Care. So you definitely want to make sure you pick that up too, man. But in my professional opinion, guys, this is well worth the money. Now, they are a little big. I'm not feeling the heavies that everyone else is talking about, stating how heavy it is and things like that. These feel like normal headphones. And if I was to compare these to the Xbox Bluetooth headphones that I just picked up and reviewed for you guys, then it's in comparison, these are actually lighter than the Xbox headphones. So really cool pickup, guys. My opinion, go grab these. Shouts out back order, because if you ordered them today, you probably will be getting them in June, you know. These are a really good pickup, guys, and I know you're gonna love them. As I mentioned before, man, I'll be doing a review probably in about 10 days to see what the superior sounds like over time after I'm over all the hype and things like that, guys. So again, man, this is the quick unboxing and review of the AirPods Max in the sky blue with the blue headband, man. Really appreciate all the love and support. And until the next video, guys, let's get it.